Dear teachers, a few nasty things we may have uttered, some naughty rumors we may have spurred. Putting aside our mischief and pranks, today we just want to say thanks. The truth is that we respect you a lot. Every day we've embraced all that you've done. And as a thank you gift, we've made a video presentation. We hope you like it.
Hi, May! May, happy Teacher's Day, di ay. May, salamat kay sa mga lessons nga imong gipantulo sa mua. Kanang, di na kay ka kanang teacher, but kanang sa uban, but teacher sad ka sa amua. As imong mga pagumangkon. May tungod sa imo bitaw kay murag na kuha na mong personality nga mas mamaayo bitaw mi nga person. So thank you kay me. I love you, me, and again me. Happy Teacher's Day.
Teacher's Day, you are not just only a teacher, but you are a good leader to your school and a very good mother to us. Thank you for everything you have done for us. We really appreciate all your efforts for us, ma. Thank you. Happy Teacher's Day, ma.
Happy Teacher's Day, Mama. Love you.
Hi, Ma. I know you're one of the best teacher because you have been so dedicated with your craft. You are not just imparting knowledge to your students, but you are imparting your life towards them. Thank you for the extra love and care. You always got our back, and happy Teacher's Day. We love you. Mwah.
Bing, bisag dili ko nimo tinuod nga anak, pero salamat kayo nga imo kong gitreat nga one of your own. Salamat kayo nga gitagaan ko nimo og chance nga nakoy pamilya, bisag adopted ra ko. Thank you kayo. Og ay tuod nakalimot ko. Kuan man ka kaning English teacher man dito ka dia. Lubat man. Lagi you carried me for 9 months, and I know for the fact nga you will always be there for me kinsay mauna nato. And salamat kay sa imong kwan bisag adopted ra ko. Pero Bing, happy Teacher's Day. You will always be my Karen Carpenter, Nora Honor, the best part of my everyday. Happy Teacher's Day!
Happy Teacher's Day, Mama! Thank you for all the things that you have done to me. Thank you for taking care of me. And thank you for teaching me everything, including the grammar and the spelling and the plural of nouns. Mama, for me, you're the best teacher in the world. Happy Teacher's Day, Mama, and I love you so much. Mwah!
A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3. I gave her all my love. That's all I do. And if you saw my love, you'd love her too. And I love her.
Ulpa ko.
Happy Teacher's Day.
Hello, Mother. Happy Teacher's Day. I have seen how hardworking you are, and everybody knows that you are such a dedicated person to your job, and I am very proud of that. And all I want to say is, I want you to give yourself a time to relax and rest because you really deserve that. And enjoy the rest of the day. Happy Teacher's Day, Ma. I love you.
Hello, Mama. Happy Teacher's Day. You are the best. We love you so much. Bye. Happy Teacher's Day, Mama. Love you, Mama.
Today's Teacher's Day, let me read to you a poem. And since you're teaching Filipino, I wrote it in Filipino and it is entitled Dakila Kang Maituturing. Guro man ika'y tawagin, dakilang ina ka naman sa amin. Lasuntlan at shock ang siyang bala, mabuting kinabukasan ang dala. Hatid mo'y inspirasyon sa mga mag-aaral, kaya naman si Zat at Zia labis kang mahal. Mga aral ng buhay na iyong tinalakay, naging daan para kami magtagumpay. Hindi mahihigitan ng anumang salapi ang ginampan ng tungkulin, kung kaya't karapat dapat kang pahalagahan at mahalin. Utang namin sa iyo kung ano man ang aming narating, pagkat ika'y aming inspirasyon, dakila kang maituturing. Ngayong buwan ng magigiting na guro, kami nagpapasalamat sa mga aral na iyong itinuro. Sana'y makamit mo ang walang humpay na biyaya at mabatid sa iyong mukha ang tunay na ligaya. Happy World Teacher's Day, Mamaw!
Happy Teacher's Day. Ma, salamat sa pag-guide sa mo sama sa imong pag-guide sa imong mga estudyante. Og ma, pagpadayon paggiya og pagpakita sa maayong ehemplo sa mga estudyante. Apel sa mo. I love you so much, ma. Bye-bye.
Hi, Nay. Happy World Teacher's Day. I love you. Salamat sa imong pagtabang o pagantos sa amo, sa atong pamilya, labi na kang Janron o kang Juan. Inaot nga padayon ta, Nay, magpadayon ta. Salamat kay Nay. I love you.
I'm making this video to honor my mother, Natividad Ganzan, for being a very good teacher, a very good mother, and of course a very good counselor for every student nga maagi sa iya. Now, I never did known someone who gives up a very big opportunity for her passion. So wala nakabalo si nanay, ko na siya top 1 sa pre-board sa accounting sa ilang batch sa Xavier University. But she gave up her big opportunity just to pursue her passion in teaching and also in music. Now, si nanay, san busy kayo na for over 30 years, gimuon yun po ni hangtod karon nga kung na ay iyang estudyante nga kuan nga dili mo tuwag klase pila na kaadlaw bala pag alas 9 sa gabi moadto din na sila sa baryo ban sila ni tatay para kumustahon ang kana nga estudyante. And nay tungod na nabilib kay ko sa imo. And sa kadagang places nga nagtuan ako, sa kadagang places nga nagtuan ako, perminti ko makitag or makastoryag tao nga taga saan nga niagi sa imuha nga estudyante nimo. Muyan gina sila, anak mo kanimo damgansan no? Butan na ba kanimong mama sa una sa amo kay bisan magkulang among bayad, iya giming kataplan, and di gid siya kapaningil sa amuha. Nay, you may not be the most intelligent teacher, the smartest teacher para sa ila, but for me, for Joanne, and for Tatay, you're the best teacher that we have ever known. And you don't only teach us on our math projects, math assignments, but you also teach us about life. Hangtod karon nay, dako na ko pero imo gyud katudloan permanente. Nay, happy Teachers Day. We salute you. I salute you personally. I love you. You're the best teacher.
Hi, Ma. I just want to say thank you for all the sacrifices that you have done for me. And indeed, you're a hero. Happy Teachers Day.
Hi, sir. Happy Teachers Day. And congratulations for 30 years in public school service. That is amazing. I hope I get to see you again. Greetings all the way here from the other side of the world.
Okay, good evening everybody to those teachers who reached 30 years in service. To Madam Aking Factora, to Madam Emilia Sahol, to Madam Bibian Porcray, to Madam Domina C. Gorospi, to Sir Leonie Validor, to Madam Natnat Gansan, and especially to my dear Pads Arnold Dilona. Real life necessitates the complexities beyond unreasonable doubts, the insurmountable obstacles that life may brings. We must worry enough to face life's challenges as we ponder to our destinies in the path that we soar every day. To all of you, keep going, be firm, soar high, and good evening.
Happy Teachers Day, Uncle. Wishing you the best in life. Salute.
Hello! Happy Teachers at Tanan, especially kay Mr. Leonie Validor. Sir, salamat kayo sa inyong mga guidance, sa inyong mga inspiration nga nakatabang sa amuang mahimo mi nga successful sa mong life. Wishing you a happy Teachers Day. Stay healthy and keep safe.
Hi everyone, it's a wonderful day to celebrate World Teachers Day. I am thanking the GNHS journalists for the opportunity given to me to greet you all. Congratulations for being great living heroes. May God continue to bless you more achievements and more power. To Leonie, may God continue to give you more strength, enthusiasm, and enjoy in teaching until you reach your retirement. We love you. Happy World Teachers Day, everyone.